Good afternoon, Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I'd like to book a room, please.
For what dates do you need the room?
From Friday to Sunday this week.
How many people will be staying?
2 adults, please.
Would you like a single or double room?
A double room, please.
Would you prefer a room with a view?
Yes, if possible.
Let me check availability. Yes, we have a double room with a sea view.
That's perfect. How much is it per night?
It's $80 per night, including breakfast.
Does the room have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is included.
Can I request a late checkout?
Certainly, we can arrange late checkout until 1 p.m.
Is there a swimming pool?
Yes, the pool is open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Great. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Can I cancel the reservation if needed?
Yes, you can cancel up to 24 hours before arrival with no charge.
Okay, please book the room for me.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's John Smith.
Your booking is confirmed, Mr. Smith. We look forward to welcoming you.
Thank you very much.